Hi students, in the continuation of differential equations, today we are going to discuss about partial differential equations. Okay, partial differential equations plays an important role to solve heat equations and wave equations. So what is meant by partial differential equation? As we know, a differential equation is an equation. It involves both independent and dependent variables. Okay, so independent variable, suppose we are considering z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. Okay, so a partial differential equation containing dependent variable and independent variables and derivatives and its equations. That means dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou square z by dou y square equal to 0. Okay, here you observe. So it is a differential equation, no doubt. Okay, it is an equation containing derivative of z with respect to x, z with respect to x and y. So z is a derivative, depends on x and z depends on x and y, z depends on y. Okay, so z is a dependent variable, very clear, and x and y are independent variables. So that a partial differential equation is an equation which involves one dependent variable, two or more independent variables. Here z is dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. And the order and degree. The highest derivative involved in the partial differential equation is nothing but called order of the differential equation. And the highest power of highest derivative is nothing but called degree of partial differential equation. Okay, so order and degree. Okay, so order means highest derivative and it is highest power. Okay, power of highest differentiation. Okay, so here you observe the highest derivative is dou square z by dou x square, dou square z by dou x dou y, and dou square z by dou x dou y. So it is a second order differential equation, and the highest power, you observe the highest power is 1. Okay, so second order partial differential equation with degree of 1, like that. Okay, the partial coefficients are dou z by dou x, okay, is p, and dou z by dou y equal to q, and dou square z by dou x square equal to r, dou square z by dou x dou y equal to s, dou square z by dou y square equal to t. Okay, so we are identifying the partial coefficients like whenever we have dou z by dou x equal to p, dou z by dou y equal to q, and dou square z by dou y x square equal to r, dou square z by dou x dou y equal to s, dou square z by dou y square equal to t. Okay, so you remember p, q, r, s, t. Formation of PDE. Okay, suppose the curve equation is f of x, y, z, a comma b. Then a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay, arbitrary constant. You can eliminate a and b. Okay, and form a differential equation. The differential equation is f of okay comma y comma z comma dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y equal to 0. That means a and b are eliminated and it becomes dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Okay, so x comma y comma z comma p comma q form equal to 0. Okay, so differential equations are obtained by elimination of arbitrary constants. Form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Here the curve equation is z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Okay, so take partial differentiation with respect to x and y on both sides. We have dou z by dou x equal to a into x derivative 1 and remaining y is a constant, so 0 plus a square and b square also zeros. Okay, next dou z by dou y equal to 0 plus b into 1 0 plus 0, so that dou z by dou x means we have, by using partial coefficients, dou z by dou x equal to p equal to a, dou z by dou y equal to q equal to b. So a replaced by p, b replaced by q. Okay, you say this is equation 1. So equation 1 becomes z equal to a replaced by p, px, plus b means it is a q, qy, plus p square plus q square, where p is dou z by dou x and q is dou z by dou y. So this is nothing but a partial differential equation. Okay, is the required PDE. Okay, so form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Here arbitrary constants are A, B, C. So the required curve equation is, given curve equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Okay, now with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so 2z by a square with respect to x, so that it is constant 0 plus 2z into dou z by dou x by c square equal to 0. Okay, so again 2 also cancelled both sides, and x by a square plus z into dou z by dou x in terms of partial coefficient it is p, so zp by c square equal to 0. Okay, so it is equation number 2. Again PDE, partial differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so x is the differentiation with respect to x, so that it is 1, and 1 by c square into apply uv formula. Okay, z into dou p by dou x plus p into dou z by dou x equal to 0. Okay, p means dou z by dou x, dou p by dou x means dou square z by dou x square. So dou square z by dou x square is represented by small r. Okay, so 1 by a square plus 1 by c square into z into, this is a small r, plus p into again dou z by dou x value is again p into again it is p square. So here is 1 by a square, but already we are having here in equation 2 we are having x by a square value, so that I am multiplying with x on both sides. Okay, so it becomes x by a square plus xzr by c square, xp square by c square equal to 0. Again x by a square is replaced by, from equation 2, x by a square is minus zp by c square. Okay, so x by a square is replaced by minus zp by c square. Again you observe in the denominator the common term is c square. Okay, by taking cross multiplication, c square into 0 becomes 0. So we have minus zp plus xzr plus xp square. Okay, p means dou z by dou x, r means dou square z by dou x square. Again I am rewriting zp equal to xzr and xp square is the required partial differential equation. Or you can write p means dou z by dou x and r means dou square z by dou x square, and p means dou z by dou x whole square is the required PDE for the given curve equation. So form PDE, partial differential equations, by elimination of arbitrary functions. Okay, so here the functions are, suppose u and v are two functions, independent functions, and these two are also having a relation. Okay, phi of u comma v equal to 0. To minimize, dou u phi of u comma v equal to 0 be the relation between them. Then the PDE is dou u by dou x plus p into dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x plus p into dou v by dou z, and dou u by dou y plus q into dou u by dou z, and dou v by dou y plus q into dou v by dou z is equal to 0. Okay, on simplification we are getting this determinant to find the PDE of the arbitrary function. So form PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions where phi of x plus y plus z and x square plus y square z square equal to 0. So this is u and this is v. Okay. So u be the x plus y plus z and u be x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So required terms here the required terms are dou u by dou x. Okay. So take dou u by dou x equal to 1 and dou u by dou y equal to 1 and dou u by dou z also. Dou u by dou z is also equal to 1. Similarly from v, dou v by dou x equal to 1 and dou v by dou y equal to 1. Sorry. Dou v by dou x equal to 2x and it is 2y and dou v by dou z equal to 2z. Okay. So using this determinant, okay, this is equal to dou u by dou x. Determinant of det of dou u by dou x value is 1 plus p into dou v by dou u by dou z. That is also 1 and 1 plus p. Next, dou v by dou x 2x plus p into dou v by dou z 2z plus p into 2z. Next, second row, dou u by dou y is 1 plus q into dou u by dou z value is also 1 and 1 plus q, that is 1 plus q. And dou v by dou y is 2y in plus q dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z means it is 2z. Okay, 2z determinant equal to 0. Clear. So this is equal to 1 plus p into, so this is equal to 1 plus p into, so 2y plus 2zq minus, okay, 1 plus q into 2x 2zp equal to 0. 1 plus p into y plus zq minus of 1 plus q into x plus zp equal to 0. Okay. So multiply with 1. So that 1 plus zq. Multiply with p. Y zpq minus, we multiply with 1. X plus zp. So minus x minus zp. Multiply with q. Qx minus zpq. Okay. Plus zpq minus zpq get cancelled. And we have y minus x put together. And take p as common. Y minus z. And take q as common. Z minus x. Z minus x. So is the required PDE where P is dou z by dou x and Q is dou z by dou y. Okay. So u and v are eliminated and we are getting partial differential equation.